Okay, listen, y'all know nothing makes me happier than talking about client results when people get what they want. So I want to congratulate and I want y'all to hear my client Sydney's journey with me. So tell me what you think at the end.
Hello, my name's Sydney Mukes, and I was fortunate enough to work with Coach Netra over these past couple months on my nutrition. I'm a former Division I volleyball player, and I have transitioned from the athlete realm into my professional role now, which is within the corporate setting. And so I went to Coach Netra really just seeking advice and understanding on how I can effectively fuel my body to my current lifestyle. I am able to put together foods and meals that will effectively sustain me throughout my long days. And also, I was able to identify different food sensitivities, me gain a whole total awareness of my body's needs. So she's super educated in her craft too. She was able to put all of the terminologies and phrases into something that I would understand and be able to take through life moving forward. I saw results within the first week, which was crazy. So grateful for Coach Netra. If you're on the fence or thinking about investing into a nutrition coach, I would definitely say do it.
What you think? It could be you, right? All you have to do is message me. Let's see if it's the right fit.